Yes, we all need to show up in life. And for many times, to show up in our lives, we need to get out of our head. We need to do things out of our mind, and many times we have to go with our heart to move on in our life so that we can forget some of the things which have been disturbing us since long. We need to release the judgment of our thoughts. We have to be non judgmental to move on in our lives. Sometimes we need to stick to a mantra and recite it again and again to change our focus from the things which are disturbing us to the positive state of mind. A very good idea sometimes is to focus on the outside noise. You need to sit silently by closing your eyes or by opening your eyes, it's your wish, and just concentrate on the sounds around you. Maybe it's the sound of a fan revolving on the ceiling, and sometimes that will absolutely change your focus from the things that were disturbing you, and you will just go with the flow and you will have a great day ahead. Sometimes you just need to focus on someone else, like some person or something has been disturbing your mind since a day or a two. Then you need to get to some other people around you or someone in your circle with whom you can have a lively chat, or you can just open your heart to someone out, and then you can see the wonders and you can show up great in your life. On the other hand, sometimes you just need to stay in the now, in the present moment. You need to analyze what is happening with you in this very moment. Like right now, if you are being inspired by hearing this is your now, and this is the feeling you are getting by seeing this is your now feeling. And on the other hand, sometimes we must let the things happen by their own. We must just go with the flow. We must just be simply ourselves. Like we must simply get up, simply have a shower, and go with our meal activities and our daily course. And sometimes going with the flow is actually the great idea to show up in life. You need to move away from the blame games. You need to move away from putting blames on others. You need to take responsibility. You need to take charge of yourself, and you need to figure out why this is not working, why at this point I could not do this, why they behave like that. You may think about them, because as a human beings, it's our nature that we will think about the people or the circumstances, whatever they are making us think. But we are not our thoughts. We need to change them immediately, and we need to go with the positive flow of life, and we must say less and do more. Just move, have the productivity in your life, and just do the things which will make you positive, which will make you live freely, and which will make you happy. You need to deal with your biggest problems first, and the biggest problems are your own anger, your own guilt, your own stories, your own things, what you are dealing, your own thoughts actually. You need to face them, you need to analyze them, you need to let them come and go, and you need to stick towards positivity to move on in life. And being positive is not at all a symbol of strength only, but it actually prepares you for everything in life. And I can understand that things are difficult at times. The people around you may be difficult at times. But by being positive, you get that energy, you get the things done by the universe for you, and everything just falls in place by itself. And believe me, it happens. I have observed it many times. Many times, people disturb your mind for a lot more of hours. They just consume your energy. But if you have positivity in your mind, you can send good vibes to them through your thoughts, and you will definitely observe the magic will happen. And this magic is going to stay with you. Maybe their actions or their deeds may lead to again frustration or stress at some other moments of life, but your positivity is going to be your part of bliss, and your blessed life is going to move on, move on, move on due to your positive vibes, due to you not giving up, due to you going with the flow, due to you believing in this universe, and due to you believing in your higher self, and due to you having a clear inner dialogue. It's going to help you. Believe me, it's going to help you. You know, one interesting fact of life, your anger is going to wrinkle you up. It's going to cause you wrinkles. It's going to cause wrinkles in your mind, and you will not be able to take good decisions, proper decisions, healthy decisions. And I must tell you one thing, that don't try to figure out others. Try to figure out things. Try to figure out your own thinking. Try to figure out your thoughts. Figuring out is important, but figuring others is going to be of no help, no help, no help. Remember one thing, your thoughts are not the facts. Your thoughts are not always going to be the facts. And you need to learn one thing. You need to see how you are growing yourself from your own thoughts, how you are figuring out things in a positive manner to grow your intellect, to grow your strength, to grow your mind, to grow your soul. You need to do all this, and you will show up nicely in your life. Many times in life, you need to forgive others, not for themselves, but for yourself. Because forgiving others enlarges your heart. And when you enlarge your heart, you have a big heart, you can send a lot of kindness to the people who don't even deserve your kindness. But actually, you deserve your own kindness. So you need to forgive others, and you need to send them kindness through your thoughts, through your mind, and you need to move on in your life. And this moving on will definitely take you to a better place in your life, to a blessed place in your life. So clear your head up, show up in life, and move on. This is going to be very, very, very powerful. Go ahead.